What's going on, traders? Welcome to my channel. So guys, as you can see, the strategy said that it's time to buy the currency. You can see we got AUD USD, so we expect to keep the market all the way to up there. As you can see, it's on uptrend. This is gonna be the first take profit, and this is gonna be the last take profit. So guys, soon we're gonna take our opportunity now because the market is ready to be taken. So let's buy the currency right now. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't know how to use the strategy, I hope you already know how to use the strategy. So I'm gonna take my opportunity now, guys. You know what I'm saying? You better watch the full video so that you can see, guys, how we're going to kill this currency. I'm sure 100%, guys, we're going to kill this currency because the strategies already said that it's time to buy the currency. So crazy. So guys, if you want to use the same strategy, guys, that I'm about to use right now, you better check my previous video, guys. Check my previous video, like 2 videos after this one. You will see. You know, so you can see, guys, is the more it's at the strong buy, which we expect to buy the currency. So crazy, guys. You know what I'm saying? You know how we're doing a building. So guys, we already take our opportunity, so I will have to walk away from the market in order to control my emotions. Then I will come back later on, but I wish to kill the opportunity all the way to level 89.39. So guys, I'll have to go away and come back later on. Peace out. Yo guys, I'm back, guys. I'm back, guys. And guys, you can see, guys, we in a profit, guys. We already hit the profit, guys. You need to keep it positive. Keep it positive, guys. Everything is possible. You know what I'm saying? Keep it positive. So you can see, guys, we're already in a small profit. You know what I'm saying? So we're waiting to hit the TP1. Then we're gonna be expected to hit another TP2. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. You know what I'm saying? And for this who wish to join the free Telegram group, guys, the link is always on description below. You can join, guys, the free Telegram group. Then once you decide, you send me the message on Telegram. Let me know, like, yo, Juba, wanna join the VIP group. Then I'll be able to join. You'll be able to join the VIP team. You know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna be taking every single trade that I take. You're also gonna be taking the same trade. So guys, you can see that we're hitting the profit. You know what I'm saying? We're getting to the small profit. You know what I'm saying? But we still have a long way to go. You know what I'm saying? But I'm sure, guys. I'm sure we're gonna hit. I really believe in my strategy, guys. Once you enter at the right time, you have to make money. And guys, I really want to appreciate for this who always, you know, send me the result for the strategies that I share with them, guys. Like, yo, thank you, Juba, for the strategies. I really appreciate, guys, because when you share the result with me, guys, something that you don't know, you give me a motivation as well to do more for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I work hard, guys, and I always try my best to share my results and to share my my secrets with you guys. It's just for the love. You know what I'm saying? So please keep it that way. You know what I'm saying? Keep it that way, the same way I'm showing you this the love. Please show me some love back, because you give me a same energy. So when you give me same energy, guys, you unlock more tips from my, you know, my knowledge. So you can see, guys, I'm trying to back this the strategy for you. I'm trying to show you that every single time the strategy reach level 89, it's selling. As you can see here, guys, every single time the market reach these 2 levels, it's buying or it's selling. You know what I'm saying? So you can see, guys, we're moving to the profit. It's good. You know what I'm saying? It looks so good for sure. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Yes sir, yes sir. So guys, I'll have to go away, guys. I'll be back soon in order to control my emotions. This is what I do. I'm not staying in the chat every time. See you soon. Yo guys, I'm back again, guys. I'm back again, guys. You can see, guys, we keep in going, guys. We keep going, guys. I told you guys that we're going to hit this trade. So crazy, guys. As you can see, guys, we're about to hit the TP1 right now, and I say, so it's good, girl. It's beautiful for sure. It's very beautiful. For as you can see, guys, we're moving to the profit, and we expect to move all the way, guys, to the previous high that you see up there. You can see, guys, the market is moving so crazy, guys. The market is moving so crazy, guys, for sure. So I've been waiting, guys, for some like 2 hours, you know what I'm saying? But you know, you have to be patient, though. You have to be patient because, guys, remember, we do not scalp the market. We always make sure we hit our TP. We do not scalp the market. We always make sure we hit the TP. Guys, the other thing, guys, you should know, guys, no matter how much you're losing, guys, please keep pushing. Keep pushing. And when you feel like, guys, when you feel like you've been losing, guys, like 2 days, you know what I'm saying, you better take a break for sure. You better take a break, you know what I'm saying. Step away from the market, watch the chart first, even for 2 days again, you know what I'm saying, and come back after 2 days when you already control your emotions, you know what I'm saying. You know, sometimes you can be losing, and you're gonna be like, yo, you know what I'm saying, you can be like, yo, I'm losing, so let me take another trade so that I can cover my loss. No, it doesn't work like that. When you lose the first trade and the second one, bro, stay away from the market. Come back tomorrow, or come back even after 2 days, bro. Spend another 2 days in the chart. Fix your you must first fix your mistakes, you know what I'm saying. And then once you feel like you already fixed your mistake, come back to the market, you know what I'm saying. Don't keep taking the opportunities, something like that. So as you can see, guys, the market, I took this market because it, first of all, was already at the strong buy, and second of all, guys, it was already it was breakout, you know what I'm saying, from the zone, and then we got a pullback to the zone. Now we're waiting to continue as a buyer, you know what I'm saying. That's why I took this currency, guys, because it was breakout to the zone and then gave us the pullback to the zone. Now we can see it's breaking the zone by going up. So this is the reason why. You can see also I had some double bottom down there, and double bottom, guys, you know, that is the a very good confirmation in the market, you know. So that gives you like 95% of winning the trade. We got a double bottom and double top. Once you see these things in the market, guys, these two kind of market, you need to pay attention on them so much. So this is how we're moving, guys, to the profit, you know what I'm saying. And guys, I'll have to go away from the market again, and then I'll be back soon after maybe like 1 hour. Then I'll come and check. This is how I control my emotions, because once you keep watching the market, you're gonna be like, no, let me take my profit, or let me do this, you know what I'm saying. See you soon. So guys, I'm here again. I'm here again, guys. This is the deep one, guys. As you can see, guys, now you can believe that the strategy, it works as I said, guys. This is how we're moving, guys, for sure. Trust the process, you know what I'm saying. Make sure you click that link below, join that free Telegram group, guys. Let's join the team. Let's go make this man together. Feel me? You know what I'm saying. You can never blow your account, bro, for sure. Once you already joined the team, for real. So listen, subscribe to the channel, guys, like the video, you know what I'm saying. And if you wish to use this strategy, guys, I already uploaded this video already. Is check 2 videos before this one, 2 videos before this one, all right. And then you will find this strategy, guys. I already give the whole settings for the strategy. Go use it, go make money. Come back to me, let me know how much the strategy is helping you to make money, you know what I'm saying. how much the strategy is helping you to make money. So guys, I love y'all. Make sure to do the right things. Peace out, guys. See you on the next one, guys. Peace out. This was so crazy, guys. I'll let you know, guys, once I hit the TP2. Peace out.